Hey, Logan, go down range.
You said it wasn't very accurate, but it's better than M79. Dude, those were all headshots.
Yeah, the moment you gave me different darts.
They were all headshots.
Derek, why did we not get this in a year ago when I got the M79?
Because those didn't exist a year ago.
I love the M79.
He literally, this is the only one in the United States. Just few days delayed, but we have just received this package. You can see it says just toy gun pew pew from Foamwork Adelaide, all the way from Australia. Thank you so much. They sent us the only Storm 2.0 Plus that he had, the last one, to test and sample. And so we're gonna see how she does. Very well packaged. Oh, yeah, that is pretty hefty. About an M79 weight there. We have the barrels and some parts. It's like a 3D printed piece there. Some foam, we'll reuse that. Plenty of darts. Ooh, I'm gonna break that. This is a nylon shell. Very sturdy. No friction fit. Some Delrin balls there and some printed parts. Ooh. Sweetheart device, 12.95 by 15.98. And a nice green. Engraving down there. Gonna do all sorts of testing with this guy. Anodized metal. Printed shroud. Okay, extended shroud or something like that. And for the main course, yeah, it's pretty hefty. AMUs are always hefty. Yeah, that weighs as much as N79. All on the back there is the weight. So you definitely either need to offset the weight with more front weight or shoulder that. Does look like it has 3D printed shell. Mag paddles sturdy. Barrel has set screws though. And plenty of O-rings, so that's good. Battery cover is relatively small. Looks like an XT30 and XT60. And this plate here is loose, but that's okay. All right.
Now you can remove this. You can see the journal like this. Since everybody 10 mil, this will give you much better performance. You have a tighter FPS rate.
Let's put some rounds through it. Default setup, longest barrel. I lubed a little bit of it, but nothing on the inside really. We pulled the barrel out 10 mil. We do have a dry fire prevention kit here as well that we're gonna install real quick in a Talon magazine, and we should be off to the races. Right, so to install the dry fire prevention, we're gonna pop off the bottom plate here real quick. Super easy there. Slide that out, unscrew the follower thing here. Yeah, definitely towards the rear. See if that that works. Or I should say it doesn't work. So yeah, balls to the rear, so we should be good. I'm just gonna put this mag in here and try to pull the trigger. There you go, dry fire prevention. Then if we throw some darts in it now, it's default spring, longest barrel, 5 shots. So first one should be dry, so we got 5. That was 5. Oh, the magnet was in the correct orientation, so I guessed right. So the magnet polarity does matter, so when it's installed, it should be juice. No idea how to test that polarity issue. So it is an issue with the magnet being too high in the mag. So I'm just gonna try to tighten the screw a little less, just to see if we can just get gravity to offset that. We'll try that. Maybe that'll be looser, so it'll give us something more reliable triggering. So far this thing is dope. It's very consistent, hitting, you know, in the right in the 300 range. With the worker bamboos. Used worker bamboos. All right. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First round should be dry and chambered. Okay. So it stops after the, oh, it did work. But you still have 1 shot left. Well, it stops reload, that's pretty good. Let's take it down range and see what she does. 2 to 3 shots, semi-auto. Okay. And then it should spread it going. Put the switch to the forwardmost position. Okay, and try that out. Hold that. Now it doesn't have to stop in it though, so this one will drop fire. How's that? Awesome. So that's like 320 FPS.
It's so sweet.
All right.
I want one.
I haven't even fired it yet. Let me fire it.
So little.
All right, so we got 287, 274. 309. 335. 308. Probably has too much power for this B car, but that's it. Probably need more twists or more bearings, because when you shoot it, it does seem to deviate a little bit, but it's at 300 FPS. That's, I wonder if that would be more or less accurate than a caliburn. Should be about the same, but we still got some tuning to do fresh out of the box.